Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got the gesture navigation. And before we will set it, a quick disclaimer here: you can customize the 3-button navigation. Simply tap on More Settings, and you can, for example, reorder the back button and the recents and manage a voice assistant. So let me go back and let's finally set the gestures. So let's tap on this option, Gesture Navigation, and as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons we do not have anything actually. And now we can use the gestures. Here we've got the animations, which can help you, the gesture tutorial, you can go through it, more settings. Here we've got the back sensitivity option, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you need this sensitivity to be higher or lower. So now let me show you how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, just like that, and release it. And it works the same from the right and the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this gesture is quick and short, something like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, however, elongate it a little bit and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.